In this tutorial, we are looking at two-way tables and Venn diagrams. So this comes under the heading of probability because we can work out probability from both two-way tables and Venn diagrams. To identify a two-way table exam question, what we're looking for is two separate pieces of information. So that might be the gender, it might be if they choose a certain sport, for example. So what we've got here is 50 people, each did one activity at a sports centre. They were either swimming, played squash, or used the gym. And we've got their gender, so whether they were female, male. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a table because we've got lots of pieces of information and we want to represent this in a table for easier interpretation. We've got a total of 50 people. 21 of those people were female, which means 50 minus 21 of those people, 29, were male. 6 of the 8 people who played squash were male. So that's a total of 8 people played squash, 6 of them are male, therefore 2 of them were female. 18 of the people used the gym and 9 males went swimming. Now we need to fill in the blanks. So if 50 people were asked in total, 18 people used the gym and 8 people played squash, that leaves 24 people who went swimming. If 9 of those people that went swimming were male, that means 15 of them were female. If 21 were female in total and 15 of them went swimming and 2 of them played squash, that leaves 4 that went to the gym. And if we have 29 males in total and 9 of them went swimming and 6 of them played squash, that leaves 14 that went to the gym. Our question says, work out the number of females who use the gym. So now we refer to our table, that's 4. If we were asked to say, we're picking one person at random, work out the probability of those that were female that went to the gym, that would be 4 out of 50. Now let's look at a Venn diagram. We have this little squiggly E here, that means the universal set. So that is all the data that we need to sort out into either set A or set B. We are looking at all odd numbers less than 30. So I would then list all odd numbers less than 30. Now you can see which numbers need to be put into your Venn diagram. Now in set A are 3, 9, 15, 21 and 27, and in set B are 5, 15 and 25. So let's go through our universal set. Number 1 does not appear in set A or B, so that goes on the outside of the circles. 3 goes in set A, 5 goes in set B, 7 neither A or B. 9 in A, 11 on the outside, 13 on the outside, 15 goes in both A and B, so we put that in our overlap of the circles. 17 neither A or B, so on the outside, 19 on the outside, 21 in A, 23 on the outside, 25 in B, 27 in A, 29 on the outside. If you didn't put the numbers on the outside, that would lose you a mark. Now the notation for the probability questions, you may be asked for what's the probability of picking a value in A, U, B, or the probability of A, N, B. this notation, so this union, and this is intersect. So I like to think of this as or and this as and. So thinking about our probability of A intersection B, so you must like both apples and bananas at the same time. This is our N. So A and B, that's only one number out of a total of 15 numbers. Whereas or means you can like apples or you can like bananas. So these people like apples, these people like bananas, these people like apples and bananas, but they still like them. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers out of a total of 15 in our union set.